So that's it. I uploaded my GIFs into Tenor, and about a day later they sharded. Oh my God. Do you love GIFs? I love GIFs. I feel like GIFs are the lifeblood of the internet sometimes. Or maybe it just runs off GIFs. I don't know. Shower thoughts. But have you ever wondered where the GIFs on Twitter come from? Twitter added a really easy way to add GIFs right within the app a little while back. While you're composing your tweet, you just click on the little GIF button and magic. A bunch of GIFs appear in different categories, and you can even search for that perfect GIF for your shit post. In the last week or so, I noticed a few streamers on Twitter posting about having their own GIFs within Twitter, and I thought, man, I really want to do that. So I saw some people mentioning Tenor.com. It is a GIF website like Giphy, and I thought, could it be as easy as just uploading my own GIFs to Tenor, and then they just show up in Twitter? Yep. It's pretty much as easy as that. So let me give you a really quick walkthrough of the process. So log into your account at Tenor, or create one if you don't have one already. And you can see I already have a bunch of GIFs uploaded. So in this case, you want to upload a new one. So go to the top and click on Upload. Go ahead and choose your GIF from your files. And there you go. And right here, you'll want to add tags. This is one of the most important parts. Add tags with your username, maybe things like Twitch, streamer, anything relevant to the GIFs. Tater tots, cater tots. Things like the emotions you're expressing, the reactions, sayings, anything you think people would search for on Twitter for a GIF. You want it to show up in the search results for them. Then go ahead and upload. You can only upload 10 at a time, so keep that in mind when you're going through the process. It doesn't take long to process the uploads. You should see it pretty quickly. And the nifty thing about this site is you can see notifications when your GIFs are used and when they're featured. And you can check out your individual GIFs, what your tags are, and you can share them straight from the page as well. So you can see here, I'm typing in AFKate, which is one of my tags on the GIFs, and there are all my GIFs. Some of my newest ones haven't synced up to Twitter yet, but they'll show up within a day or so. And I already have quite a few, and I started this process just yesterday. That's why it's so important to tag these GIFs with your username, with relevant emotions. So when people type in your username, or when they type in dance or heart or something like that, your GIF will show up. So that's it. I uploaded my GIFs to Tenor, and they started showing up in the Twitter search about a day later. I think it just really depends on how often Tenor updates their newest uploads, because I uploaded some today and they showed up in the Twitter search within 30 minutes. So I think it just depends on when they're scraping the site or whatever to update the data. I don't know how it works, but expect them to show up within a day or so. So again, all I would say is make sure you're tagging your GIFs really well and really specific to the reaction, the emotion, your username, maybe an alternate of your username. So I tag mine, like I said, with Kayt and AFKate, and then whatever other tags might be relevant so they can show up in searches for anybody, not only people who follow you. That's it. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that subscribe button, like it, turn on the bell for all of the millions of YouTube videos I upload. Be sure to also catch me on Twitter. I'm AFKate there as well. I do also stream at Twitch at twitch.tv/AFKate, and I stream on Sundays, Mondays at 8 p.m. Pacific time, and Wednesdays and Thursdays at 10 p.m. Pacific. I do a lot of body painting, makeup, I sing, and I do play games as well. So catch me there, catch me on Twitter, catch me all over the place. I'm AFKate everywhere. Thanks for watching.